Hey, good morning. Daylight breaking. I'm heading out to hunt some upland birds today. It's going to be a good day after a couple of days of pretty cruddy weather. It's cold this morning, probably some black ice on the road. So, anyway, I got my go box here. I got everything I need in here for a day, maybe 2 days out in the field. I keep a camp stove and my snacks in here. Maybe I'll go through that later, but I got it all in one spot. I just grab it and go, and I don't have to mess around rummaging through the house looking for something to take with me as a snack, because that's less time that I can put out in the field. So I grab this, throw it in there. Got my shotgun. Got so excited one time that took off, had everything else, dogs all loaded up, everything else, got down the road and realized I'd left the shotgun in the gun cabinet. But anyway, we're heading off. Go be a great day. I'll probably do a segment of what I got in this box. Hey everybody, Don Pence. What I got here today is my go box. This is a box I throw in my truck and take with me when I'm heading out into the field to hunt some birds, or just on a general outdoor adventure. Or it's also an emergency box in case power goes out, grid goes down, and you're without power for a few days, stores run out of food, enough in here to sustain myself and probably one other for maybe a week. But let's go through this and see what we got. Okay, first off, right on top looks like I got a dehydrated spaghetti mill here. Just add some hot water in this, let it soak for a while. You got a spaghetti mill. Looks like I got some high energy fruit leather. I'll eat one of these for breakfast and you're good to go for most of the day. Water filtration system here. I've had this one for a while. I don't know. I think I'm going to replace it. It takes a while to get some water filled in with this thing, but it works. Knife, hatchet, handy thing to have around. Paper towels, another water bottle. I use this filtered water. I'll put my filtered water in here. Let's see what else. Looks like I got some more food ready to eat. Soup. Pour some hot water in here. These things are great, good source of energy, and looks like this is pinto beans and rice. Keep a guy going for a while. Granola bars. What we got here? In the sack here, got my fire starter. Light. These are some candles. This thing works pretty good for illumination. Headlamp. Cook stove. These things work pretty handy. I set them on, put them on a propane bottle like this, and doesn't take any time at all, and you can heat water up or cook a meal on it. I keep about 3 of these propane bottles in here. I only have one stove, I got 2 stoves, so I can really get to cooking if I want. Leatherman. Some spare batteries to go with the flashlight. I got my camp kit here. This is stone, sharpen your knives with. Wine opener, corkscrew, in case you have a bottle of wine. I've had this camp kit for, I don't know, for as long as I can remember. Got a can opener, silverware, but this is a pretty handy thing. Boil water, can eat out of it. It sits right on top of these stoves. Maybe I'll do a video on me cooking on top of these stoves here one of these days. Some extra cups. Shelter. Unopened, I never had to use it. Here's an important item, toilet paper. A little bit of camp soap, multi-purpose. Some more fire starting material, matches, some fire starter there. Some more forks. Alright, food. I've got some more food here. Some jerky. Mountain House Mill. Packet of teas, some spices, drink mixes, high energy stuff. Some coffee. Peanut butter. Always good to have peanut butter around. And some crackers to go with it. And some more crackers. Oh, these ramen noodle soup packets. These are great. I usually have a few of those. Then I supplement those with some canned meat that I have. I got some smoked oysters. I just dump them in there. What else I got here? Can of shrimp. Can of clams. Goes pretty good with these noodles. Oh, can of V8. Looks like I might need to stock up on some more of that. What else? Some more jerky. Nuts. Need to fill that up a little bit more. Another pack of, looks like got some hot sauce, some gum, some handy wipes, some more matches in there, some sugar packets. Yeah, looks like some maple syrup and some cooking oil in here. Packet of bread. Some more cups. I really like this cup here. Yeah, you can put 2 cups of water in there instead of set it on top of the stove and bring it to a quick boil. Some aluminum foil. This always works great, especially if you catch a fish or some game birds or some game animals and you got a small fire. You can wrap it up in some aluminum foil and throw it in the coals and cook it. Looks like I got a spatula, collapsible bucket, get some water, hot pad, dishcloth, and that's about it for my go box. So anyway, if anybody has some suggestions on what to put in here, give me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and maybe you'll see me out in the woods or out in the field using some of the stuff I got here. But until then, that's all I got today.